Hey guys, got my new box in. Wood's just kind of holding it there. A little windy out. I don't know if it'll capture or not, but got my new box in. Takes up basically the whole left side of my trunk. Got my 4-gauge wire in, power and ground. Got street wires, 4-gauge power wire, and then I got 4-gauge. Oh, I can't think of it. Think about it later. It's a different brand because, well, the ground, I kind of messed up the little eyelet or whatever you want to call it. Anyway, I still gotta find out which way it'll sound the best. I just put it like this because I figured it'd sound the best for now. It's doing pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna play Cure for the Itch for you from Linkin Park.
Folks, we have a very special guest for you tonight. I'd like to introduce...
Let's try something else.
See if I can capture it today. Yeah, I think I could use a little Dynamat or sound editor or wherever. Capture it. A little flex right here. Oh, song's over. Alright, I'm gonna change the song and get back here again. Hey, I think I'm gonna play a juice box for you. Boy, I cannot read that at all. Oh well, let me pop it in here. Okay, here we go.
Hey Zoe, what up, Chuck? A lot of women out here. Yeah. Now all they want to do is have a good time, so we gotta give them something new to say. Like what? Let's name it something else. Juice box. Juice box. I make good.
Just give me God, give me the with your butt, trying to drink my unborn. Licking on each other, acrobatics with their tongue. Shake it like Beyonce, go ring the alarm.
Throw in another song since I don't make very many videos, so. And this one is Echo by Gorillaz, though. Got a couple of their CDs, so. Here we go.
You did it to yourself, now you're all by yourself. Acting like you hate me, I love you because you made me. You played me to the left, now there's nobody left to hear you're complaining. I'm gone, and all you're hearing is your own. Nobody near you. Started off great, but who was to know that love is lost? Not to let go. You say it's my fault. Okay, then I'll go. It's better to know. Now it's nobody to argue with. 'Cause I'm not wrong. Don't call my phone, or did you forget?
There's that fender collection. Oh, hit a quiet spot.
You went away, all my pain went astray. Now I have no one to argue with, 'cause I'm not home. Your memory don't come from.
Okay guys, I'm gonna call it good for a day. I'm looking at a new amp, audiopipe, so yeah, have a good day.
Nobody near you.